2 of trying to fix the cabinet. We got the guys doing it. And y'all keep saying take the TV out and you can push it from the bottom. Y'all, you can't. You literally can't. Unless I take the whole thing off, you can't get back there.
It's a solid wall.
It's a solid wall. Like, can y'all see under there? It's solid. There's nothing. There's literally mounted our TV on there. Like, there's no, can't get through on one side or the other. Like, there's no getting through. So unless you like try to stick your fingers in there and lift up the board, because one side is solid. Can y'all see in there? Look, you see him pushing? That back there has no support. This right here has a support. I'm just explaining because lots of people are like trying to give me advice, and I was trying to explain. They gotta know that it's not that easy. It's not that simple. I think me and Cammy need some mommy juice. Yeah. Okay.
Take all this off. Go get the chainsaw.
We need it right.
We tried to be fancy, but it's fine.
Right here, right through here.
We're gonna let the men do it. You're the same height when you're on the stove. Okay, solution. Christopher said we're not taking this shit out because we can't. Unless we take the whole front of our grill off, and I'm not doing that. So he said since I left that little piece back there, that trim, we're just gonna re-screw it. You can't put any more braces back there, which is wild. This is solid. This back here is not. It's like cut, and that's where this wall is right here for our teeth. It's wild. Anyway, we're gonna just re-screw it since I left that piece back there on because it's connected to the wood, and there's like this bigger screw, so it's not coming off. We're gonna re-screw it and just we're gonna go off of a hope and a dream that it don't do it again. And if it does, well, yeah, I don't know. But I need that cabinet, so. All right, update. He fixed it. He just put the trim back on there and screwed in it. He screwed them in better, I guess. I don't know. That's really our only solution. But it's now not flimsy. It's back to being solid. Trim pieces on the back, screwed in better. And then, obviously, the side pieces. Yeah. So, it's not broken. At least somebody sees it. It's not the prettiest, but it works. It's solid. We can still use it. We're good to go. So, anyway, it's done. Now I gotta put all this shit back. We're gonna put the heavy shit closer to the front. Like, it's not super heavy, but heavier than like honey buns and cereal. We're gonna do it that way. It's done. Those can go in there. Extra honey buns, that can go in there. Well, much better. I took some stuff out and we're good to go. Alright. Hope you have a good day and we'll catch you later. Bye!